milestone and congratulations na Miss Barbie. Can I got your reaction na sunod-sunod na awardee, pangatlo na nito from Club Bulakenyo being the queen, and this one is another award.
Yes. First of all, I'd like to thank and